Kerala is going to witness local body elections starting December 8th. This will be held in 3 phases, 8th, 10th and 14th. And notification for the same will be coming on November 12th, that is tomorrow. Aam Aadmi Party Kerala will be contesting local body elections and giving the option to people of Kerala to choose the kind of politics of Sri Arvind Kejriwal, which he did magnificently in Delhi thrice. Kerala is sick and tired of the politics of violence, politics of corruption, which LDF and UDF have been doing for decades. With this entry in local body election, Aam Aadmi Party Kerala will be venturing into that territory where Kerala will have a choice to choose honest politics over politics of corruption and over politics of communalism. For this, Aam Aadmi Party has set up a 6 members state election committee, and another important thing which I want to share with you, that Shri PC Syriac, who is a Keralite and former Chief Secretary Tamil Nadu, he is today formally joining the party. He'll be joining in half an hour from now in a press conference scheduled to be held in Arnakulam Press Club. And PC Syriac ji, after being many choices available here and there, he opted to join Aam Aadmi Party Kerala in order to give Kerala the kind of politics which it deserves. And I, on behalf of the party, welcome him in Aam Aadmi Party and wish him good luck in giving the kind of politics which Kerala has been looking for. Mr. Syriac will be heading this state election committee which we have formed, which is primarily of 6 people. Mr. PC Syriac is one person who is veteran bureaucrat and former Chief Secretary of Tamil Nadu. Then we have with me Mr. Vincent Philip. He is sitting by my side. He is educationist and entrepreneur. He has worked with me in the last 3 elections. Mr. Tufail PT, he is a long-standing journalist, has worked with many organizations like the Halka, Outlook, etc. And he has been with us for some time. He has served also as Secretary and Convener of Aam Aadmi Party Kerala. Then we have Advocate Binoy Pulathil, who is a lawyer come activist, and he has been practicing in Supreme Court, taking many public interest affairs through legal channels for the people of Kerala. Then we have Padmanabhan Bhaskaranji, who is a social entrepreneur and an IT consultant. And then we have Mr. V. Umar, who is an RTI activist and who works for people of Kerala in full enthusiasm. Friends, for the first time in the last 64 years, Kerala never witnessed something of this kind. for the first time, a party is openly, will be releasing a URL, a form, whereby we invite all good intentioned people, all well-meaning people of Kerala, educationists, activists, lawyers, and one and all. It could be trader, farmer, researcher, advocates, IT experts, anybody who is interested in making things in Kerala better than what UDF and LDF have so far given to Kerala. This form will be available to the people to apply. This will be available at the Facebook official page of Aam Aadmi Party Kerala, as well as at the website link, which will be distributing it to you through you also. And people who would apply will be scrutinized, and accordingly the State Election Committee of Aam Aadmi Party Kerala will decide on the final list of candidates. The candidates will be free to apply from 11th, that is today, till 16th of November, because 17th is the last day, 19th is the last day. So we hope that this new dimension of Kerala politics will bring the new, much desired, and away from corruption and communalism, which has rather become the rule of Kerala politics. Recently we have heard that, you must have heard, in the gold smuggling case, the serving IS officer to the Chief Minister was arrested, and communalism has also been a major concern for the people of Kerala. We have already sent the list of the State Election Committee as well as 14 district contacts to the State Election Commission Kerala. These 14 contacts will be releasing the list to you also. They will be the ones to help the candidates getting the party symbol while they file their nomination. Kerala will be witnessing election on 21,900 seats, panchayat and ward level, and corporations and municipalities seats. Thank you.
Which seat you are conducting the election? Approximately.
हिंदी के लिए ये अच्छा एक बार हिंदी में भी बोल दो। आम आदमी पार्टी के लिए एक बड़ा दिन है। आम आदमी पार्टी केरला जो लोकल बॉडी चुनाव पंचायत और म्यूनिसिपैलिटी और कॉरपोरेशन का केरला में दिसंबर 8, 10 और 14 को होने वाला है, जिसका नोटिफिकेशन कल यानी 12 नवंबर को आएगा, उसमें आम आदमी पार्टी पूरे दमखम के साथ उतर रही है। इसके लिए हमने 6 लोगों की कमेटी, स्टेट लेवल इलेक्शन कमेटी बनाई है। और बड़े खुशी की बात है कि वेटरन ब्यूरोक्रेट मिस्टर पीसी सीरियक, जो कि पीछे तमिलनाडु राज्य के चीफ सेक्रेटरी, मुख्य सचिव भी रह चुके हैं, उन्होंने केरला में नई राजनीति लाने के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी का हाथ थामा है। आज कुछ समय बाद एर्नाकुलम में प्रेस क्लब में वो ऑफिशियली पार्टी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं और वो इस कमेटी के हेड होंगे। इस कमेटी में जो और सदस्य हैं उनके नाम इस प्रकार हैं: मिस्टर विंसेंट फिलिप जो मेरे बगल में बैठे हैं, एजुकेशनिस्ट हैं, एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं। मिस्टर पीटी तुफैल, इसमें सारा लिंक दिया हुआ है, हमने सब लिखा हुआ है, आपको मिल जाएगा। पीटी तुफैल जो कि लॉन्ग स्टैंडिंग नेशनल लेवल के जर्नलिस्ट रहे हैं, उन्होंने आउटलुक, तहलका वगैरह ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में काम किया है, वो हमारे साथ कुछ समय से हैं। उन्होंने सेक्रेटरी और कन्वीनर के पद पे भी काम किया है आम आदमी पार्टी केरला में। एडवोकेट बिनॉय पुलथिल जो कि लॉयर और एक्टिविस्ट हैं, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में प्रैक्टिस करते हैं, वो इस कमेटी के सदस्य हैं। मिस्टर पद्मनाभन भास्करन जी जो कि सोशल एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं और आईटी कंसल्टेंट हैं, वो भी इसके सदस्य हैं। मिस्टर वी उमर जो कि आरटीआई एक्टिविस्ट हैं और काफ़ी समय से केरला के लिए लड़ते रहे हैं, वो भी इसके सदस्य हैं। इन 6 सदस्यों के साथ इस कमेटी की ड्यूटी है कि केरला में सारे वेल मीनिंग पीपल जो कि केरला में राजनीति को भ्रष्टाचार से और सांप्रदायिकता से मुक्त करना चाहते हैं, उन सबको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिले जिसमें कि केरला की डेवलपमेंट की बात और केरला की डेवलपमेंट केरला के लोगों के इच्छा अनुसार हो सके, उसकी बात हम कर सकें। 64 साल के इतिहास में पहली बार केरला इस तरह का प्रयोग करने जा रहा है जिसमें कि हमने खुले रूप से, खुले मन से एक फॉर्म रिलीज कर रहे हैं ऑनलाइन लिंक के जरिए, जिसमें कि लोग, चाहे वो रिसर्चर हों, चाहे वो टेक्नोलॉजिस्ट हों, चाहे वो एक्टिविस्ट रहे हों, चाहे और पार्टी के लोग रहे हों, जिस किसी को भी केरला के राजनीति में इंटरेस्ट है, उन सबको खुला आमंत्रण है इस लिंक के जरिए जाकर के अपनी मनसा जाहिर करें जिस भी सीट से वो लड़ना चाहते हैं। और सारे ऐसे जो रिक्वेस्ट आएंगे उन सब के ऊपर स्टेट इलेक्शन कमेटी फैसला लेगी। 11 नवंबर से लेकर 16 नवंबर तक ये कार्यक्रम चलेगा अप्लाई करने का और स्क्रूटनी होने का, और उसके बाद फिर हम लिस्ट जारी करेंगे। आम आदमी पार्टी ने स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन को उन 14 लोगों की लिस्ट भी भेज दी है जो कि उन 14 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में, 14 जिलों में केरला में पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट होंगे, जो कि पार्टी के उम्मीदवारों को पार्टी का सिंबल देने का काम करेंगे। और आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री माननीय श्री केजरीवाल जी की तरफ से मैं श्री पीसी सीरिया का पार्टी में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं कि उन्होंने काफ़ी समय लिया, 15 से मेरे साथ काम कर रहे थे, बातचीत चल रही थी, लेकिन अब जाकर के उन्होंने फैसला लिया, तो बड़ा सोच समझ के फैसला लिया कि आम आदमी पार्टी ही बदलाव कर पाएगी, वो राजनीति ला पाएगी जो कि केरला को जरूरत है। धन्यवाद। See, that's why I said, because we are giving an open invitation. So anybody and everybody who's desirous of changing politics in Kerala through Aam Aadmi Party, who believe in Aam Aadmi Party kind of politics, in the politics of Sri Arvind Kejriwal, in the politics of health and education, in the politics of reform, in the politics of seva, serving, they all are welcome. So you will be wherever, because benevolity and well-meaning candidates we are looking for. So we started receiving applications, and we already have a set of people already in place who are scrutinizing all those applications.
So with your press conference you have mentioned, you are changing your political stand on one thing, because you have been supporting LDF in the last elections there, and LDF has also supported, the left parties have supported here, but now you are changing the stand in Kerala, you are going against the left.
We are here for Aam Aadmi Party politics. We are not here to support any other politics. In politics, there is nothing which is fixed. So when Aam Aadmi Party itself is venturing into electoral politics in Kerala, so there is no question of supporting anybody else. Thank you.
दिल्ली का
You
मॉडल
are
आप
not
क्या अपने
supporting
कैंपेन
it.
में वह इस्तेमाल करेंगे सोमनाथ जी?
हम्म?
तो दिल्ली का जो मॉडल है दिल्ली की सरकार का, उसका इस्तेमाल आप वहाँ कैंपेन में करेंगे, चुनावी मुद्दा उसको के लिए?
आपको जान के बहुत हैरानी होगी कि केरला में जो वेल इस्टेब्लिश्ड लोग हैं समाज के, वो ऑलरेडी इस बारे में चर्चा कर रहे हैं कि जो केजरीवाल मॉडल ऑफ गवर्नेंस है उसको केरला में आना चाहिए। मतलब मुझे जान के ये बहुत ही हर्ष हुआ। केरला चूंकि सबसे लिटरेट स्टेट है देश में, उसके बावजूद जो एजुकेशन मॉडल केजरीवाल साहब का है उसकी चर्चा है केरला में, उसकी मांग है केरला में। तो ये बड़े हर्ष की बात है।
You are also saying that CPM is ruled by hate politics. Is it you are against in Kerala in CPM?
See, everybody is aware of what is happening during the tenure of LDF. Violence has become some sort of rule in their tenure. Yes.
Sir, two more things. What would be your strategy where in seats which you are not contesting, who will be supporting?
Let the bridge come.
And one more thing, what would be your stand on gold smuggling case?
So I've been saying, see, it's a very, very serious charge. For the first time in history, a serving IAS has been arrested on such a serious charge. And it's a matter of shame for Kerala.
So this will be the main poll campaign issue also.
Main campaign issue for Aam Aadmi Party is not negative, is positive. What we are bringing politics of service, politics of education, politics of healthcare, politics of Kejriwal. The way you name the area, and Kejriwal governance model has made a name across the world, whether it be pollution, whether it be dengue, whether it be your corona. So we are going with positive attitude. All right, these positivities are there, for which Aam Aadmi Party has been elected thrice with such huge brute majority in Delhi. So if people of Delhi, which does include people of Kerala too, okay, around 10 lakhs of people of Kerala, to my knowledge, are there in Delhi. So they have also voted for Aam Aadmi Party. And Aam Aadmi Party was the only party which talked about establishing a Malayalam academy in Delhi. So this is a huge thing. I mean, no Congress could think of, no BJP could think of, no left could think of this. For the first time, it is Aam Aadmi Party which has established this academy, Malayalam Academy.
So you spoke about LDF and UDF, but you have not mentioned about BJP.
BJP is our number one enemy. BJP is not only our number one enemy of the country. So if the country has to be put on the right path of development and prosperity, then BJP has to be defeated by all means. Thank you.
This time CPM also.
Sure enough, because we are into electoral politics, so we are not tying up with CPM to contest this election. Thank you.